morning class. Now we have to go to start a new chapter number 4, becoming great, in our workbook. As we have completed syllabus of our course book and language book, so we have to finish workbook and then we will start doing reader book. So today you have to write only one exercise in the chapter number 4, becoming great, and that is underline the verb in the following sentences and say whether they are transitive or intransitive. What is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb? Transitive verb class means if there is any object in the sentence, the verb is called transitive verb. If there is not any object in the sentence, so this type of verb is called intransitive verb. For example, Shekhar read the newspaper with interest. Shekhar read the newspaper with interest. Shekhar is subject. Subject means whom we are talking about, and object means the thing which is affected by subject. The thing which is affected by subject means newspaper is read by whom? Newspaper is read by Shekhar. So there is another object in the subject, that is paper. Another object means class whenever there is any two thing in the sentence, the first noun is subject, noun or pronoun is subject, and other noun or pronoun is object. Most of the time non-living things are object. Most of the time non-living things are object, as paper and toy, flower, telephone. All these are example of object. Object means non-living thing. So what is transitive verb? Transitive verb means if in the sentence there is any object, it is transitive verb. If in the sentence there is not any object, it is intransitive verb. So we will do the exercise number, last exercise of the chapter number 4, becoming great, that is page number 38, and then we will do one exercise number 1 of the poem The Sky Lark. So I will start with the chapter number 4. Chapter number 4, becoming great. You don't have to do all these exercise. You have to do exercise number last only, means exercise number 3rd of page number 38. Underline the verb in the following and say whether they are transitive or intransitive, as I explain you what is transitive and intransitive. So first, underline the verb. Shekhar read the paper with interest, and it is transitive noun because Shekhar is subject and paper is object. And then Sameer and Priya laughed. Verb, and there is no object, so intransitive. Flowers of many kinds grow here. Flowers of many kinds grow here. So grow is verb, flower is subject, but there is no object, so intransitive. The gardener grows rose and violet. Gardener subject, rose and violet object, and grows a verb, transitive verb. And then 5. The Prime Minister picked up the telephone. Prime Minister is subject and telephone is object, and picked up is verb. Picked up is verb. Now, chapter number, the poem The Sky Lark. In this we have to write only one exercise. Say whether the verb is sentence below are in the general present or the present continuous. If it is general present, then you have to write general present means simple present. Then you have to write G.P And then for present continuous, what you have to write? P and C. P for present and C for continuous. Now first example is given here. The child is crying. So PC, what is simple present class or general present means? Where we use first form of the verb. Such type of sentence is called simple present or general present. And when there is I, is, are, and then ing form of the verb, I, am, is, are, and ing form of the verb is given, it means it is continuous sentence. She is walking down the road. Walking is walking. PC continuous है. I write poetry. Simple present. First form of the verb GP. Taxi is waiting. Continuous PC. Play games. First form GP. Are reading. ing form PC. I am painting. ing form PC. Sunil and Shekhar practice singing. Singing is object but practice is verb, so it is GP. The girl is taking dancing class. PC is taking. Class, there is not any helping verb, are, is, or am, so it is not continuous tense. We are watching the bird fly over the hill. We helping verb and watching main verb means ing form of the verb. So we have completed now our syllabus of workbook. From tomorrow we will start third chapter in reader book.